The best soup comes in a bowl that you can also eat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious bread bowls. For this recipe, we're going to need 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2½ teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, an additional 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 packets of instant yeast, 2½ cups of warm water. In the bowl of your electric mixer, you're going to pour in the 2½ cups of warm water, the yeast, and the sugar, and let sit for 10 minutes. You don't want the water too hot because it will destroy the yeast. In a separate bowl, mix the salt and flour together. Now add the flour mixture a little at a time to the yeast mixture. After the 2 mixtures are combined, add the 4 tablespoons of olive oil and mix thoroughly. Stir the mixture until it pulls together, forming your dough. Now you're going to coat a large bowl with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add the dough to the bowl, and you're going to turn around the dough in the bowl a couple of times to make sure it's coated thoroughly. Now cover the dough and let your dough proof for 1 hour in a warm place. Uncover your dough and give it a punch. Flour your surface and remove the dough from the bowl and knead for a few minutes. If you don't think cooking can be stress relief, you've never kneaded dough before. Now cut the dough into 6 equal parts. Now push your thumb through the bottom of the dough, pulling the edges up and folding over to form a ball. Now place the dough folded side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now cover the dough again and allow it to proof for 30 minutes. Mix the eggs and the 2 tablespoons of water together to form an egg wash. Brush the doughs with the egg wash. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Cut the tops of the bowls off and hollow out some of the dough inside. Add any soup, you can't go wrong with this. If you do try this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great recipes.